this lake is way beautiful than the other one. The only problem is there's way more sandflies here than there was at the other lake. So I'm off to see a waterfall on the way to Westport. So let's go check it out. Made it to the fall. It's really beautiful. It's a very peaceful place. It's like a tiny Niagara Falls. It almost feels like the river carved a tiny canyon here. It's very nice. I like it. On my way to Westport, I decided to stop by Bullard George Swing Bridge, which they say it's the longest bridge in New Zealand. Unfortunately, it had a paid entry, so I just decided to take out the drone a little bit and fly it out to see how the bridge looks from above. And that's it for today. See you next time. Bye!